Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, we'll talk about 5 reasons a US immigrant may be deported in 2024. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. What is the biggest fear any immigrant faces in the United States? Without a doubt, it's the prospect of deportation. In this article, we will delve into 5 key reasons why an immigrant might be deported and provide insights on how to avoid these pitfalls. These reasons are up to date and relevant for anyone concerned about their immigration status. Deportation typically means sending someone back to their country of origin due to violations of US immigration rules. While many assume deportation only occurs when someone is in the US illegally, it can happen for several reasons, even to those who entered legally. Here, we'll cover not just the obvious reasons, like illegal entry or overstaying a visa, but also lesser-known yet critical grounds for deportation. 1. Failure to obey visa terms and maintain legal status. One of the primary reasons for deportation is the failure to adhere to the terms of a visa or maintain legal status in the US. This can happen in several ways. Working without authorization. If you are in the US on a non-immigrant visa, e.g., F1 student visa, J1 exchange visa, or H1B work visa, you must strictly follow the terms of that visa. For instance, F1 visa holders are typically not allowed to work off campus without special permission. Engaging in unauthorized employment can lead to deportation. Overstaying your visa. Even if you entered the US legally, staying beyond the authorized period is a violation. This is common among tourists and students who remain in the country after their visas expire. Overstaying is a clear reason for deportation if detected by immigration authorities. Failure to maintain status. Students on F1 visas must maintain full-time enrollment and meet academic requirements. Falling below the required credit hours or failing classes can jeopardize your status. Similarly, those on work visas must be employed by the sponsoring employer and in the job role specified in their visa application. 2. Failure to notify USCIS of a change of address. Many immigrants are unaware of the requirement to notify the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services US of any address change within 10 days. This rule applies to all visa holders and those undergoing the green card process. The failing to update your address can be seen as a visa violation and potentially lead to deportation. Practical implications. While it may seem like a minor oversight, USCIS takes this regulation seriously. If you move multiple times without updating your address, and this is discovered during an immigration interview or application process, it could be grounds for deportation. 3. Criminal convictions. Certain criminal activities can make an immigrant deportable, whether they are a visa holder or even a green card holder. It's essential to understand that having a green card does not make you immune to deportation. Only US citizens are fully protected from deportation due to criminal convictions. Types of crimes. Some crimes that can lead to deportation include: crimes involving moral turpitude. CMTs are offenses that are considered morally reprehensible, such as fraud or theft. Drug-related offenses. Drug trafficking or possession can lead to deportation. Violent crimes. Crimes like domestic violence, assault, or murder. Fraud and espionage. Participating in fraudulent activities or espionage against the US. Firearm offenses. Illegal possession or trafficking of firearms. Importance of legal counsel. If you are arrested or charged with a crime, it is crucial to consult both a criminal defense attorney and an immigration attorney. The immigration consequences of a criminal conviction can be severe, and proper legal guidance is necessary to understand and potentially mitigate these consequences. 4. Violation of US laws. Apart from criminal activities, other violations of US laws can also result in deportation. This includes participating in fraudulent schemes or other forms of deception against the government. Common violations. Marriage fraud. Entering into a sham marriage to obtain immigration benefits. Tax evasion. Engaging in schemes to defraud the IRS. Smuggling and labor violations. Involvement in smuggling people or using fraudulent means to obtain labor. Consequences. Engaging in these activities not only jeopardizes your immigration status, but can also lead to significant legal penalties, including deportation. The U.S. government treats fraud and violations of immigration laws seriously, and those found guilty face severe repercussions. 5. Public charge grounds. Under U.S. immigration law, an individual may be deported if they become a public charge within 5 years of entering the country. This means relying on public assistance programs in a way that is deemed to make you a burden on the government. What constitutes a public charge? When applying for a green card, immigrants must demonstrate that they will not become a public charge. This involves showing financial stability and the ability to support oneself without relying extensively on public benefits. Specific benefits. Some public benefits are permissible, but others are not. Accepting benefits that are considered inappropriate for your status can lead to deportation. If the government finds that you have taken these benefits and cannot repay them, you may be placed in removal proceedings. Avoiding public charge issues. Ensure you fully understand which benefits you are eligible for and avoid those that are restricted. If you find yourself in financial difficulty, seek advice from an immigration attorney before applying for public assistance. Navigating the complex landscape of U.S. immigration laws can be daunting. Understanding the common reasons for deportation and how to avoid them is crucial for any immigrant. The 5 key areas discussed: failure to obey visa terms, failure to notify USCIS of address changes, criminal convictions, violation of US laws, and public charge grounds represent the most frequent causes of deportation. By staying informed and adhering to the rules, immigrants can protect their status and work towards permanent residency and citizenship. For those facing potential issues, consulting with an immigration attorney is essential to safeguard your future in the United States. Following these guidelines can help ensure that you remain compliant with immigration laws and avoid the serious consequences of deportation. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Just Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, we will talk about 5 reasons a US immigrant may be deported in 2024. The biggest fear for any US immigrant is deportation. This article explores 5 key reasons why an immigrant might be deported and offers insights on avoiding these pitfalls. These reasons are crucial for anyone concerned about their immigration status. Deportation involves sending someone back to their country of origin due to violations of US immigration rules. Many assume deportation only occurs when someone is in the US illegally, but it can happen even to those who entered legally. Here are the reasons: failure to obey visa terms and maintain legal status, working without authorization. Non-immigrant visa holders F1, J1 and H1B must strictly follow visa terms. Unauthorized employment can lead to deportation. Overstaying your visa, staying beyond the authorized period is violation, common among tourists and students whose visas have expired. Failure to maintain status, students must maintain full-time enrollment and meet academic requirements. Work visa holders must stay employed by the sponsoring employer and in the specified job role. Failure to notify USCIS of a change of address, visa holders and those undergoing the green card process must notify USCIS of any address change within 10 days. Failing to do so can be seen as a visa violation and lead to deportation. Criminal convictions, criminal activities can make immigrant deportable. Even green card holders, only US citizens are only protected from deportation due to criminal convictions. Type of crimes, crimes involving moral turpitude, fraud, theft, drug-related offenses, violent crime, domestic violence or assault, fraud, espionage and firearm offenses. Importance of legal counsel. It's crucial to consult both a criminal defense attorney and an immigration attorney if arrested or charged with a crime. Violations such as marriage fraud, tax evasion, smuggling and labor violations can result in deportation. Engaging in fraudulent scheme or other forms of deception against the government can jeopardize immigration status and lead to severe legal penalties. Public charge grounds. An individual may be deported if they become a public charge within 5 years of entering the country, meaning they rely on public assistance programs extensively. What constitutes a public charge? Immigrants must demonstrate financial stability and the ability to support themselves without relying on public benefits. Understand which benefits are permissible and avoid those that are restricted. Seek advice from an immigration attorney if in financial difficulty.